Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Today we are going to see information about the month that is known as Adhik Mas, Mala Mas or Purushottam Mas. Welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Our Hindu calendar is based on lunar months. However, solar months are different. The solar calendar has 365 days and lunar calendar has about 354 days. So every 3 years we add one extra month to the lunar calendar to make it equal to the solar calendar, and hence that extra added month is known as Adhik Mas. This year we are going to add Adhik Ashwin Mas. So the Navratri that begins after the Pitru Paksha is over is going to begin after one more month, and the month that is added is known as Adhik Mas, Adhik Ashwin Mas. What do we use this Adhik Mas for? This month, Adhik month, is usually dedicated to different types of rituals, doing puja, vrat, reading of the holy scriptures, and it is primarily puja of Lord Vishnu or Lord Krishna. So if you are devoted, so there are different traditions associated with this Adhik Mas depending on which part of India you belong to. The western, the eastern or the northern parts of India have different rituals. However, they all have some similarities, and the similarities are doing vrata, doing puja. Some people do perform vidya of Shraddha during that month, and hence usually marriage muhurtas are not found in Adhik Mas. There are some astrologers who don't even do readings in Pitru Paksha as well as the Adhik Mas. If you have seen the video about Pitru Paksha, you know that these are the 15 days which are taken as Shraddha Paksha, and hence any new beginnings like buying a home or finding muhurta for marriage and everything is avoided. This Adhik Mas is not totally a Shraddha Paksha or Shraddha month. However, it is definitely dedicated to the vrat and rituals related to different gods, your own Kuladaivat, and people do these rituals during this month. In Maharashtra, usually, in addition to doing puja, vrat, or worshipping Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna, son-in-law is gifted something during this time. It is the extra month, and the same way they jokingly say your son-in-law is your 10th graha, 10th planet in your horoscope. This Adhik Math, this extra month, is also given to the son-in-law. So if you are newlyweds and this is your first Adhik Mas, definitely this is a special month for all of you. In ancient times, these all rituals were taken as one occasion to gather people, to do donations and have good time with the family members. Even in modern days, we are busy, the schedules are hectic, but these festivals definitely give us a chance to have get-togethers. Now in these days, these are all virtual get-togethers, but still we get in touch with our family and extended family. So use this Adhik Mas for doing rituals, doing puja part, chanting certain mantras, or if you are a non-believer, you can just continue doing your office work related to donations, volunteer work, and expect this month to be extra in the calendar year. I'm going to write down the dates of this Adhik Mas, Adhik Ashwin Mas. If you believe in God and believe in rituals, don't forget to worship your Kula Devat or Kula Devata during this time. If you want to know more about astrology, please like this channel and click on the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends. If you want to know more about your horoscope, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to do a reading for you. Namaste, Shubham Bhavatu.